Hello and welcome to Budgeting with Intention. This is a brand new channel all about cash budgeting, saving, paying off debt, and just being more intentional when spending money. Thank you for being here and joining me on this journey. For today's video, I'll be setting up my brand new budget binder, figuring out which categories I'll be saving in these envelopes, and of course cash stuffing. The binder and envelopes came from Amazon, and the bullet journal you see here I got from the dollar store. I'm relatively new to cash budgeting, so I thought the best place to start would be to just list out all the categories I think I might need. Once I've got them down on paper, I can take a look and choose which ones I'd like to start using right away and which ones can wait until later. At the moment, I only have this one binder and 12 envelopes, so I don't have enough room for all the categories that I plan on writing down, but I definitely have enough room to get started. I also just want to take a moment and apologize in advance for any discrepancies in audio quality. I did record myself speaking as I was filming this earlier, but I didn't realize that there was a lot of outside noise, dogs barking, chainsaws, etc. So for most of the video, I'll just be doing a voiceover. Closer to the end, when the background noise quiets down, I'll go back to the original audio. So thank you for being patient with me. I am still new to YouTube, figuring this all out as I go, and I really appreciate your patience. Now that I've chosen my 12 categories, I'll go into a Word document on my computer and make some very basic labels to put inside each envelope. I just made a simple text box and typed out the name of each category inside each box. I used regular printer paper and just cut them out with scissors. I didn't want to invest in any fancy labels or trackers yet because I still don't know exactly how I want to set things up. I'll probably end up changing things around as I start using cash more and figure out what works for me and my family. So these simple labels are perfect for now, and they're easy and inexpensive to change when I need to. Once I have all the labels in the envelopes, I'll put them into the binder and then move on to my first ever cash stuffing. Okay, so this is the part I am most excited about. It is the actual counting and the stuffing of the cash. We have $220 that we'll be working with today, and let's go ahead and count that. So we've got 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, and 20. So 220 altogether. And I'm gonna start with my grocery and personal money which will be spent this week, and I'm gonna put that directly in my wallet because that's what I'll be taking out with me to the store when I go. So we'll start with, let's see, what did I say, 140 for groceries, so 50, 70, 90, 10, 130, and 40. Let's just double check that. 50, 70, 90, 30, 35, 40. Yep, 40. And I like this wallet because it has little divisions in it, so I can put, I don't want to show you my wallet, but I'll do my best to show it without showing personal information. There's like a divided section back here, and I can put my grocery money in the back section, and then right in front I can put my personal spending money, so it keeps it separate while I'm at the store, which I really like. And for spending money, I'm going to be taking 25. Okay, so that's it for the spending. Let's get into the sinking funds. While I was cleaning out my wallet, I found some gift cards that really are just kind of not being used right now. So I'm going to put them in the sinking funds where they would go, if that makes sense. And then it'll just remind me to use them, because I think I've had this one. I think I got this one for Christmas like 3 years ago, and I haven't used it. So if I'm not using it in my wallet, maybe if it's in the sinking fund envelope, I will actually see it and use it. That's my hope anyway. Okay, so we're gonna start with household and hygiene. Okay, so we're putting 20 into there. This is so exciting. I feel like an official budgeter now using these fancy envelopes. So pharmacy and medical is gonna get my gift card. There's $25 on that is still waiting to be spent. Costco, I'm not gonna put anything in that for this week. Eating out is gonna get $10, so 5 and 10. And we do not eat out every week, but we do like to eat out once or twice a month. So as it builds up, we'll be able to go to the restaurants. Let's see. Utilities, I'm gonna put 15 in utilities. 1, 2, 3. I did write out what I wanted to put in each of these envelopes on a piece of paper, but now that I'm doing it, I'm kind of shifting things around a little bit. Activities is gonna get a card. This is a gift card to our local swimming pool, so when it opens up again, we will be able to go to that as a family and not have to pay, which is great. Amazon and Kindle, I'm gonna give myself the last $10 for that. And let's see, clothing, I'm gonna put this gift card in here. This clothing is probably gonna be mostly for my son anyway, since he keeps growing out of things so fast. But that's a gift card that we got, again, probably 2 or 3 years ago that we have not used yet. So that'll be a nice reminder for us that it's in there. And then this last one, credit card, I'm not gonna put anything in it today, but my plan is that as I buy things online, the cash from those purchases will come out of the appropriate envelopes, and then I'll just put it into this envelope, and at the end of the month I can empty this out and put it directly on the credit card. So yeah, we will see. Thank you so much for joining me today. I made it through my first video. I feel like I need to go celebrate. Yeah, thank you. I hope you have a great day. Let's keep each other accountable and just, yes, have a wonderful day. How do the cool kids do those heart things? I can't do it. I'm upside down. Upside down heart. There you go. Perfect. Bye, guys.